Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to get this shower cleaned up. It is dirty. It's been a week since I cleaned it. The part that gets more dirty is where the soap goes just because it dissolves so fast. This is a Caress bar soap and yeah, it definitely dissolves pretty quickly and it just makes a mess. But it is my favorite bar soap, so I just have to deal. I'm going to use vinegar with dish soap. I like to use Dawn dish soap, the blue one, and I put it into this 409 bottle that I'm reusing. I'm doing a light spray only since it's not that dirty, because then you have more product, and more product means you have to clean it off more, which in turn means it's going to take you longer. Since my tub shower is not that dirty, I won't be using so much product because it does make a lot of bubbles. These little bad boys right here are gonna stay shiny once I'm through. Or actually, once the vinegar's through dissolving all the soap scum. Just giving you a quick overview of the tub before it gets cleaned out. And again, it's not that dirty. It's a little more dirtier than what I feel is picking up on the camera, but overall, no, it's pretty clean. I'm going to be using some of the Wish sponges that I reviewed. Check that video out. These babies work good. Again, my tub is fiberglass, so I'm not sure if it works really well on my type of tub, but definitely give them a try. I'm all raggedy cleaning over here. Looking raggedy, but next time I'll be sure to be on my A game with an outfit and maybe some heels. Just kidding. I don't clean like that. I usually look pretty raggedy when I'm cleaning. I'm prepared to get down and dirty when I'm dressed like this. But you never know. There's always a first. Excuse the lint that I have on the back of my shirt. It's from a pink fluffy blanket throw thing that I use on my bed. Here we go, going all in, just getting everything scrubbed down. I got a bucket here with hot water just so that I can get this product soaked. I like cleaning my shower when it's barely dirty, so like weekly is good enough. It barely gets dirty. I could go 2 weeks and then it's still not that dirty. I like doing it this way because it's very quick wipe down. It's so fast. Could take me like 10 minutes. And the less dirty it is, the less product I have to use, the less product I waste, the less time I take. I'm wiping down all the knobs and just getting that vinegar with dish soap all over it, just bubbling it up. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the walls as well. And I could see everything just wiping right off. And I'm just gonna dip the dupe sponge into the hot water. I wring it out and then I start on the next wall. I'm not gonna remove the soap. I left it there. I moved everything over into the sink in the meantime while I wipe this down. the products that I'm using, dish soap and vinegar, it's not going to do anything crazy to the soap either. Sometimes I remove it, sometimes I just leave it there. I used the sponge around the soap and pushed it over, and that was good enough. The soap came right off. So right now when I rinse it down with the water, it's going to also rinse off the soap. Okay, and moving on over to the last wall. So that was pretty quick. I didn't have to do a lot of scrubbing or hard scrubbing. Now I just need the inside of the tub and I'm done. I'll be able to give it a quick rinse and then we can see the results. I'm sure you guys can see a difference already. I know the video is not high quality, but I'm sure you can see the difference because it does have more of a nice shimmer glare to it. Me just getting down, getting down, getting down. If you guys haven't checked that video out where I'm reviewing the Wish sponges that I'm using currently right now, I would definitely recommend checking that out. The tub was pretty gross, but I also wanted to show you guys a more realistic cleaning that I do when I clean my shower. This right here for me is a little more realistic cleaning because it's not as dirty. The other one I allowed it to get dirty because I did want to show that the sponges do clean on my fiberglass shower tub. They did clean good and I wanted it to be visible on camera, so it's a pretty good before and after, so I would definitely recommend checking that out. Also, if you guys are viewing my videos and you would like to receive notification of when I post a new video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and right next to that hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to comment as well, like and share this video. Grabbing the hose here and spraying off the shower walls. So yeah, basically I just gave it a quick little wipe down. I'm just washing everything down now. It's all coming off. I didn't have to scrub. I still get tired doing this because, you know, you have to go through the whole sidewalls and, you know, bending down and, you know, it still can be a little bit tiring on my back and whatnot, my legs, holding myself up and everything. But again, it's not as terrible as if you let your shower get too dirty. So I always recommend to do your cleaning periodically, and it makes the cleaning process anywhere so much faster and so much easier on yourself. I know sometimes it can be hard to get to cleaning everything and getting to some things, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just get it done. That way it doesn't accumulate on you and you will be so happy that you did so. I'm just making it rain up in here. Just getting all those walls washed down, all those grooves. And now I'm washing down the inside of the tub. just going back and forth, making sure I wash down all that vinegar and soap. I'm all done, so I'm putting the hose back. I just like to say hose instead of shower head, but yeah, I'm placing the shower head back. And sometimes I just like the way, when I'm done cleaning, I like the way the shower looks when I dry it off. And I will be doing that in this video, but I don't always do this step. I'm just grabbing the bucket here and filling it up with water and rinsing down the tub. And I went ahead and grabbed some of those rags and I'm just drying everything off. I think I used like 2 or 3 rags here to dry it down. Sometimes I wait for the water droplets to dry off a little bit so my rag doesn't get soaked, but here for the purpose of the video, I just jumped right into it. So I did use about 2-3 rags, but when I let the droplets sit and dry off a little bit, I don't have to use that many rags. Like 1 is sufficient. Well, hello there, armpit. I'm just giving you guys my backside, now my pit, all up in my biz. I love the way the knobs look once I've cleaned the shower. They're so shiny. You can see them here. They're just so shiny. And again, this is why I like to dry it off, because I just like to see my result. It is visually so pleasing. It just feels so good when you're done cleaning it, and that is the same reason why I like to wipe all the droplets off. Once you get in the shower, everything looks so shiny and dry and it's just ready for you. Like, it just feels so good. About here, my rag was pretty wet, so I did change it out. I was going to try to just finish off because I was almost getting done, but I was like, no, I still need this last one, then I still need the tub area, and it's going to be too wet. So I did change it out for a fresh, dry rag. If you like videos like this where you can clean with me, don't forget to hit the like button. Also leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And voila, we are all done. So you can see how everything looks so shiny. Check it out. Look at that. Vinegar and dish soap. That's it. And 1 little sponge and then a couple rags to dry it all off. That's it in 10 minutes at your time. And I got my shampoo bottles and everything in the sink. I'm just going to place those back and I am done. Do you guys see this, how clean it looks? Ah, it feels so good. Here's a full shot where you can see the walls Nice and clean and all dried off. Check it out. Check it, check it. Look at that. How shiny and clean. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come back to the next one. I hope to see you guys there. Bye.